Hey, middle school science students. Today is our last lesson before we leave for Thanksgiving break, so I thought that I would make a quick video that's really Thanksgiving related. For all my life, I've heard that eating turkey makes you sleepy, and specifically, that's because turkey has this thing called tryptophan. Well, I was really curious, and I wanted to see, does turkey actually make you sleepy or more sleepy than other meals that you eat? So I went on a little search, and I found this article called Does Turkey Make You Sleepy? And I found it in the Scientific American. After reading the article, it's kind of wordy and long, I could break it down and really figure out if eating turkey makes you sleepy. So here's what I found after reading the article. Turkey does have tryptophan. So what I've been hearing is at least correct on that end, that turkey is or does have lots of tryptophan. And tryptophan is used to make serotonin. So tryptophan is what's called an amino acid. An amino acid is a building block for proteins. And it's also a building block for this thing called serotonin. And serotonin promotes drowsiness and deep sleep in the brain. So right off the bat, you'd think that turkey would make you sleepy because it has this tryptophan. But after doing more research, I found in the article that eating turkey does not make you more sleepy. Eating turkey does not translate to amplified production of serotonin. And this is because although turkey has tryptophan, it's also chock full of many other amino acids. And if you look at all the other amino acids, tryptophan amounts to a very, very, very small amount of the amino acids. And because it's just a tiny amount of the amino acids in the turkey, it can't compete with the other amino acids when it gets to your brain. So all the other amino acids are doing their jobs and contributing to other chemicals. And even though you have tryptophan, it's not really leading to more serotonin being made. What's also interesting is that it's not the turkey that's making you sleepy on Thanksgiving after dinner. It is most likely the desserts you're eating. The scientists in the article here, they believe that it's probably the desserts causing the increase in drowsiness and sleepiness, because desserts are chock full of carbohydrates like sugars and things like that. And with more carbohydrates, that is what's leading to the increase in the amount of serotonin in the brain. And there's a second part to eating sweets and desserts on Thanksgiving. Because you eat sweets, your body has to release more insulin to break down the sugars. And in turn, this causes most of the amino acids that you're eating with the turkey to get absorbed in your body and not your brain. This is true except for one amino acid, tryptophan, which is what we find in turkey, remember? Because the tryptophan doesn't get absorbed in the body like the other amino acids, the tryptophan is sent up to the brain where it then gets absorbed. So the sweets increase serotonin, and then the tryptophan does not get absorbed in the body, goes up to the brain, also makes more serotonin. So as it turns out, if you eat turkey with sweets, you're going to get really sleepy, but the turkey by itself does not make you sleepier. I found that to be really interesting, and I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. If you're in 5th grade, make sure that you're finishing the graphing assignment that we started yesterday. And if you're 6th grade, just make sure that you are finishing, well, you should be all caught up, but if you did not finish the lab from last Friday, make sure you get that lab done today. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys on Monday.